In this example, we're going to rewrite integer division as multiplication. Rewrite the following division problems using copies of language and using the missing factor model. So here's an example. 12 divided by 4 equals some number ? Which is what we're looking for. In copies of language in the last videos, we said this was equivalent to how many copies of 4 are in 12? Well, when we talked about integer multiplication, we said that we could write this as the number of copies times the copy size equals the product, the result. So since we're using copies of 4, that's the copy size which goes here. How many, what we're trying to find, will be the question mark. And 12 corresponds to the product. So let's work on the other problems. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 equals some number. So we're going to write this as how many copies of negative 4 are in negative 12. And as a missing factor model, would be how many copies of multiplication negative 4 are in equals negative 12. Okay. So this is useful to be able to write division problems as multiplication problems, just as we rewrote addition as subtraction and vice versa. Let's look at the next one. How many copies of 4 are in negative 12? Now using our missing factor model, how many copies is our missing factor times 4, which is our known factor, are in negative 12. So that's our missing factor model. Let's look at the last one. How many copies of negative 4 are in positive 12? So this would be how many copies, unknown first factor, of negative 4, our known second factor, equals positive 12. So we've rewritten these division problems as multiplication problems with a missing factor.